Good morning, children. In the last class, we have gone through the 7th chapter, that is the Tenali Raman and the Brinjal curry. Okay, Tenali Raman and Brinjal curry. We just will go through the lesson once, what we have learned. Okay, Nana? In the Krishnadevaraya and the dynasty, there were the emperor of the Krishnadevaraya was the emperor of the Vijayanagara. So he was having 8 advisors. Out of 8 advisors, one was the Tenali Raman. He was very clever person in this court. So one day, this what happened one day Tenali so this Tenali Raman was Krishnadevaraya was having one big garden which was filled with the brinjals. Okay, it was very different kind of a brinjal plants. It was safely guarded by the gardener. Nobody was allowed to that garden. So one day what happened, he has given the dinner, the Krishnadevaraya, that is the emperor has given the dinner to all the 8 advisors. So they all had the dinner, and after it was very delicious curry, the dinner with the brinjal curry, and it was very delicious, and they were unable to forget the taste of the brinjal curry. So what happened? He came to the house. Tenali Raman came to the house, and he told to his wife also, I am unable to forget the taste. Even though now the taste is there in my mouth, I am unable to forget the taste of the brinjal curry. It was very delicious dish it was. So he was telling to his wife. So his wife told her, wow, so how many times you are telling like that? So such a nice taste it is. Is it so? You should have brought for me also, no? He told. So she told her. So he told her, no, the garden is well guarded by the gardener. Nobody is supposed to enter to the garden. No. Nobody is supposed to enter the garden. It is very difficult to bring. So he asked Krishnadevaraya's wife Tenali Ramalinga's wife asked, please, even I want to eat, please bring us such a tasty brinjals you are telling her, please bring on, he said. So Krishnadevaraya, he told that Krishnadevaraya's kingdom was filled with, means back out of the kingdom of the backyard was filled with the brinjal's plants, no. So she told again and again, she was begging like anything to Tenali, please I want that curry, I want to eat. So at last Tenali Ramalinga agreed for that, and he told his wife that, okay, in so many times you are begging, no, I will go and bring. So each and every brinjal was counted by the Krishnadevaraya, the emperor of the Krishnadevaraya is nothing but he is the emperor. So he was knowing each and every count of vegetable in his garden. So he told that okay, I will go and bring. One day Tenali Raman went and just jumped from the wall, and he brought 3 brinjals. He brought the 3 brinjals. That 3 brinjals, it was means after he brought the brinjal, his wife prepared a curry, and she said that really, so by looking the curry, it is very tasty. I like to eat up soon. Okay, let us eat now. She said. So the Tenali Ramalinga told that no, we both will eat together. So the Tenali Ramalinga told that we both will eat together. She told that Tenali Ramalinga told that no, we both will only eat, will not call our son. He was sleeping on the roof. No, don't call our son, because it may be revealed. It may be revealed, the lie may be revealed, because I have brought the brinjals. No, that's why it may be revealed. Will not call our child. But every mother loves the child very much. No. That's why that woman, the Tenali Ramalinga's wife, did not agree for that, and she told that no, I will call that boy. So he again, Tenali Ramalinga agreed to call his son. he went up and he poured some water on the face, by which face, and he changed his son's clothes. Okay, he changed his son's clothes and he called the boy to have the dinner. Excuse me. So at that time, all were having the dinner together by thinking what a marvelous, means what a melody, you can say melody also, or marvelous, means tastiest brinjal curry, we can say. And we can say by looking, its looks were also very marvelous. The curry was also looking very marvelous. Like that, they were discussing. They were thinking like anything. They were telling more and more about that brinjal curry and having their dinner. After completion of their dinner, the boy did not sleep on the roof. He went to his bedroom and they slept there. Next day morning, the emperor came to know, the Krishnadevaraya came to know about the brinjals, that 3 brinjals were missing. So he asked the remaining chief advisor. Gardener came and complained that 3 brinjals were missing. He asked the chief, and so the chief advisor told that nobody can steal the brinjals other than Tenali Raman. This is the work of the Tenali Raman only, he said. So this emperor has sent the advisors to Tenali Raman's house to call the Tenali Raman to the court. So the boy, when he came to the court, when emperor asked about the brinjal, that person told that the Tenali Raman, no, I don't know anything about the brinjals. I did not take. No, why you have called me? So he will. The chief justice told the emperor that no, he will not tell correct. We'll call his son so that he will tell the truth. So at the time, they went to his house and they called the Tenali Ramalinga's son. Tenali Ramalinga's son. Tenali Ramalinga's son means when emperor asked Tenali Ramalinga, so what did you have in the dinner? In the last night, I had brinjal curry. It was raining, no? Like that he said. It was raining, no? Like that he said. Now we'll see the remaining part of the lesson. What will happen? What had happened? Chief advisor Appaji suspected that only Tenali Raman was okay. This we have. Now the emperor sent the courtiers to bring Tenali Raman's son to the court. Once the son came, the emperor politely asked him what vegetable he had for dinner the previous night. So when they asked the child what dinner they had for the night. So the child replied innocently, brinjal curry, it was very tasty. The boy said that I had eaten the brinjal curry, which is very tasty. The advice jumped with joy. He went to Tenali Raman and ordered him to accept his crime. This advisor went to Tenali Raman and told that, see, your son is telling correct, so you have only stolen the brinjals. You accept the crime. But Tenali Raman said his son had slept very early and he might be saying something which he had seen in the dream. So now the Tenali Raman told that no, my son was sleeping. He might have eaten in the dream. He was sleeping. He was. I think he has come with the dream, and whatever he had eaten in the dream, he's saying, I think, said the Tenali Raman. So the emperor further asked the little child, can you please explain clearly what you did yesterday after coming back from the school? Again the emperor asked the Tenali Raman's son that what he had done after coming from the school, what work he has done. Tenali Raman's son thought for a while and replied, yesterday after coming back from the school, I played for some time. After that I went to the roof, did my homework and slept there, but then it started raining. So the boy said that yesterday after coming back from the school, I played for some time. I played for some time. School నుంచి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేను ఆడుకున్నాను వచ్చింది. Then I went to the roof. I had completed my homework but then it started. After completing my homework, I slept Then it was raining. After that, I think it was raining. Everyone looked at him in surprise and continued. So my father came and woke me up. By that time, my dress was fully wet. My father came and the boy said, see, it was raining yesterday. I think after I slept. After that, it was raining. My father came to woke me up, and by that time, my dress was very wet, fully wet. We went inside, had the dinner, and slept again. Again, my dress was wet, so he has changed my clothes. So again, we had our dinner and went to sleep. The chief advisor, Apache, was shocked because there was no rain at the previous day at all. So Apache was the Apache was very shocked because there was no rain in the previous day. Obviously, they thought the kid had a dream about eating brinjal curry. The emperor freed Tenali Raman without any punishment. The emperor freed Tenali Raman without any punishment. The kid said it was. However, later Tenali Raman told the emperor the truth. Anyhow, he did not hide the lie. So he told the truth to the emperor that he has taken the emperor to the truth, that the emperor could not help laughing over his clever and witty ideas and pardoned him. However, Tenali Raman explained that he has only taken the brinjals because his wife was asking. But by witty jokes of Tenali Raman, the emperor was laughing and he has pardoned him. క్షమించారనమాట. దాన్ని ఎట్లాగైతే నిజం చెప్పారు కదా నేను తీసుకున్నానని అని క్షమించారనమాట. ఓకేనా? స్టోరీ బాగుంది కదమ్మా. దాని సమరీ మీకు ఇంకా క్లియర్గా తెలుగులో కావాలంటే గూగుల్ సెర్చ్లో కొట్టండి నాన్న. తెనాలి రామన్ అండ్ బ్రింజాల్ కర్రీ ఇన్ తెలుగు తర్వాత ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ చూడండి. ఓకేనా? అర్థమైందమ్మా? బాగుంది కదా స్టోరీ. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ చదువుతాం. ఓకేనా? ఈ తెనాలి రామన్ స్టోరీస్ చాలా బాగుంటాయి. ప్లస్ ద క్లెవర్నెస్ ఆఫ్ తెనాలి రామన్. ఆయన ఒక 8 అడ్వైజర్స్లో కృష్ణదేవరాయ ఎంపైర్లో 8 అడ్వైజర్స్లో ఒక మనిషి అనమాట. చాలా అందరూ కూడా తెనాలి రామన్ చాలా తెలుగులో అనమాట వీళ్ళందరికంటే కూడా. ఆయన స్టోరీస్ చాలా బాగుంటాయి, వినండి, చూడండి. ఓకేనా? పిచ్చి పిచ్చి అవి చూస్తాం కదా మనం, ఏంటి గూగుల్లో, అవి చూడకుండా గూగుల్ సెర్చ్లో కొట్టండి తెనాలి రామన్ బ్రింజాల్ కర్రీ. దాని గురించి మీకు డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరీస్ వస్తాయి. అవి తెలుగులో చూడండి ఒకసారి. తెలుగులో చూసిన తర్వాత ఇంగ్లీష్కి వెళ్ళండి. అప్పుడు మీ చదువుతూ ఉంటే కూడా మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా నాన్న? నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? బాయ్.